Okay, guys, so I am determined how to figure out how to get my files from Flying Upload into MyDesigns. You're supposed to use an Excel thing. I have no idea how to do that. I can't find any tutorials how to do that, so I'm going to try to piece things together. Here is Ryan Hogue talking about using an Excel file to get stuff out of Merch Titans into, I don't know. It has nothing to do with MyDesigns or Flying Upload, but it's how to get things from one automation tool to another automation tool or something like that from an Excel file. So I think I can use this to get to the whole CSV thing, getting Flying Upload info into MyDesigns. So let's listen to him for a few minutes and see what he says. I'm trying to piece all this together.
Excel file, okay? And in this Excel file, we're going to need to put some data points. We need to put the image path on our computer. We need to put the title, the description, the tags. Depending on where we're uploading, you may need to put a primary tag for specific platforms. You need a Merch by Amazon brand if you're pushing to Merch by Amazon. And then you need bullet 1, bullet 2 if you're doing Merch by Amazon as well. Okay, and you can actually, this is where I really like my approach, is I've got basically like a formula-driven template that I use where, hidden off to the side here behind me, kind of off the screen, not included in the screenshot, I've got a column where I just put the primary keyword in. And after I put the primary keyword in, well, the title updates, the description updates, the tags update, the bullet 1, bullet 2, the brand, everything updates to pull in my primary keyword. So I've got a nice SEO-friendly way of doing this. And all I need to do is put in the primary keyword for that design. And I very strategically, when I save my designs from the graphic design applications that I use to create them, I name the files after the primary keywords. In doing so, all I really need to do is grab the file names and then pop them into the spreadsheet and make sure they align with the file path, which is, basically it's harder to not do that than it is to do it. So all I was saying was that your image path points to a specific file. You need to make sure that file's primary keyword ends up in the same row. Now here, let me show you a huge hack to filling out your spreadsheets, guys. When you are in your folder with all your designs, remember I had all those camping designs here, you want to select all of them, and then what you want to do is hold down the Shift key and right-click. And this is for Windows users. I'm sorry for Mac users. I've never used the Mac. All right, I apologize. But I'm sure there's a way of doing this on Mac. But for Windows, select all your designs, hold Shift, and right-click. And then when you do that, you will get this option, Copy as Path. And when you do that, you can then grab the file paths of all of your designs and pop it into that first column over there called Image Path. All right, doing this manually would be miserable. Okay, so instead, all you have to do then is click into the cell and paste, and it will put all of them. And then what I'd recommend doing is going over into, some text formatting application. For me, because I was a web developer, I like Notepad++. It's very lightweight, quick, easy, free, open source. And you can just paste the same file paths in there, and you can do a bulk replace, and I just select everything that's that basically is the file path other than the file name, and I delete it, and it takes me 2 seconds to do. All right, and then all I'm left with is my primary keywords in the order I need them. So then you guessed it, copy paste, put it in the spreadsheet, and I've got all of my formula driven variables right where I need them. And then all of a sudden the title updates, the description updates, tag updates, everything updates. Okay, now it's a little bit nuanced. It gets more, I don't know, hopefully this isn't a terrible tutorial. I do go more in depth is what I'm really trying to say, just not here, not now, okay? Because again, in this video, there's the video trainings, okay? And as you could probably guess, I do have my full print on demand course where the whole bonus module is dedicated to walking you through exactly how I use all of the various automation tools, including I handhold you and give you my actual templates. So rather than figuring out how to build them, you just click download and then you've got it. So I have to keep, some incentives, right, for the full course. So here we go, guys. After you download the application, you have to open an account, download the Merch Titans application. When you run it the first time, you have to, I think you have to log in every time actually. Okay, so you'll have to log in. The first time you run it, you have to put your license in. And the license is what you purchase at the Merch Titans website, which I've got a
Okay, so yeah, I think that's all the information here from this video that's going to be pertinent to what we're trying to figure out how to do the CSV file Excel thing transfer from flying upload to MyDesigns. So working on it. If you guys know of any videos out there that I haven't found that show how to do it, let me know. Thanks. Take care.